You want to start, but you are scared. Manufacturers will ignore you, right? Before we begin, I want to tell you something honestly. Placing your first manufacturing order is not scary. It only feels scary because nobody explains how simple the process actually is. Most beginners don't fail because of lack of money. They fail because of lack of guidance. And day 2 is all about giving you that guidance. So let's begin. If you want to place your first order with a manufacturer, especially a small quantity order, there are only 3 things you need to prepare. Just 3. The first thing is your design reference. You don't need a professional designer, you don't need a fancy tech pack. Even a simple photo from Pinterest or Instagram is enough to start the process. A good manufacturer will convert your idea into a proper sample. Your job is only to show the direction. The second thing you need is your quantity, and here is the truth. You don't have to start with hundreds of pieces. In my unit, even 30 to 50 pieces is perfectly fine. A small quantity helps you test your idea, understand your audience, and reduce your risk. Big brands were small too. They just had someone to support them in the beginning. The third thing you need is your budget range. Not exact numbers, just a range. For example, I want to stay around 300 to 400 pieces. This helps us choose the right fabric, the right stitching method, and the right finishing for your product. When we know your budget, we guide you properly. Now that these 3 things are ready, your design, your quantity, and your budget, let me show you how the actual process works inside my manufacturing unit. Step 1 is mockup creation. You send your idea, we convert it into a visual mockup so you can see how your product will look. This gives you confidence and clarity. Step 2 is sampling. We create a physical sample of your design. You touch it, feel it, wear it, test it, check the fitting and comfort. Only when you approve the sample, we move forward. Your approval is the most important step. Step 3 is production. Once the sample is approved, we start stitching your full order. You get photo and video updates during cutting, stitching, checking and finishing. You always know what's happening. There is no guesswork, no confusion, no fear. Step 4. We commit to a timeline and we deliver on that timeline. No delays, no excuses, no stress. This entire process is designed so that even a beginner can place an order with confidence. You don't need experience, you don't need big capital, you don't need contacts in the industry. You just need someone who guides you honestly. And that is why I created this manufacturing unit to help small brands start the right way. This was day 2, is the step by step process of placing your first manufacturing order. If you want day 3 where I explain the exact pricing structure for small quantities, comment day 3. Your idea can become a real product and I am here to help you make it happen.